Okay, so today we are at Leader Dogs for the Blind in Rochester, Michigan, and I have with me today Alissa and Emmet. So, Alissa, tell us what you do here.
I work in outreach with our marketing department.
So, in general, who qualifies for a leader dog and how does that process work?
So for our guide dog program, we do require everybody to be legally blind. However, we do have an orientation and mobility program, and that's the long white cane training.
So legally blind, for those of you who are not aware, would be vision that's 2200 or worse with best correction. So glasses or contacts, the best that you can see is typically the big letter E, or you can have visual field loss. So your peripheral vision can be constricted down. And some of our conditions that would lead to that would be diabetic retinopathy, so eye damage from diabetes that's uncontrolled. You can have conditions that are genetic like retinitis pigmentosa that really constricts the peripheral vision. You could have macular degeneration, which is a big loss of your central vision, or a condition like glaucoma, which also would typically narrow your peripheral vision. Is there a specific age requirement on who can have a guide dog?
For our guide dog program, the age is 16 years old or older. We don't have an upper age limit. As long as you are able to walk with a dog and you are able to manage a dog.
So how does the guide dog training process work?
It's only a 4-month training process for the dogs themselves.
Wow.
But what we train our dogs to do is travel curb to curb so that you can maintain your orientation. So it's still up to the person to know where they are, but it's up to the dog to get you from point A to point B safely. Then we look at our list of clients and we try and do what we call matching. So a dog, for example, like Emmet, he's a little bit slower of a dog. So I would look for somebody that walks a little bit slower. And then we would bring them onto our campus and we keep them here for 3 weeks in a residential facility. And we train them for 3 weeks on how to use these dogs appropriately.
Is there any cost associated with that for the patients?
There is absolutely no cost. So everything we do is completely free of charge. We pay for the travel, we give them a dog free of charge, the harness, we give grooming tools, really everything.
So if I have a patient of mine that has one of these conditions or is legally blind and is very interested in having a guide dog, what is the process for that and how can we as eye doctors facilitate that?
We will require some information from your eye care professionals, but overall, it's just if you want these services, we want to be here to help you. So
amazing. All right, so Alissa and Emmet are going to take us through a little obstacle course and she'll kind of teach us how she guides the dog, how he guides her, and we'll just kind of see how they do together.
Emmet, forward. Coming up, we have some obstacles that Emmet's going to take us around. He's avoiding our caution sign that's on our right. And soon you'll see him push me back over to the right. There he goes. Good job, bud. Once he goes through, I'm gonna stop. Good boy. Give him a cookie because it's kind of his paycheck for doing a good job. So now Emmet's gonna take us to the grass curb that we have coming up. And he'll stop. Now we're gonna turn to the right and get ready to cross our street. Good job. He's also going to stop us for this curb. So we'll see. I think it's safe to cross. Emmet, forward. Good job. He's also going to stop at our up curb here. Good job, bud. Emmet, forward. Good job. And then I'll actually have him find this bench. How about? Emmet, left, find the bench. Good job.
Thank you so much for watching, and we loved seeing Alissa and Emmet at Leader Dogs for the Blind. If you have any eye care needs, see us at Fraser Eye, and if you have any low vision needs, orientation and mobility, guide dog wants, Leader Dogs is a place for you.